Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Dog. Loyal and friendly animals that love human companionship, often known as man's best friend. Cow. Gentle farm animals that provide milk, helping humans with dairy products and agriculture. Elephant. The largest land mammal with a long trunk, known for its intelligence and strong memory. Cat. Independent yet affectionate pets that are curious, graceful, and love to nap in cozy spots. Goat. Playful and hardy animals that can climb steep surfaces and provide milk and meat. Sheep. Woolly and calm creatures raised for their soft fleece, milk, and sometimes meat. Buffalo. Strong and resilient animals used for farming and known for their large curved horns. Rabbit. Small, gentle mammals with long ears and quick hops, known for their playful nature. Horse. Elegant, powerful animals that have long served humans for riding, racing, and work. Camel. Desert animals with humps that store fat, allowing them to survive long journeys without water. Kitten. Young cats full of energy and curiosity, loved for their tiny size and playful behavior. Donkey. Hardy working animals known for their endurance, calm temperament, and long ears. Hen. Female chickens that lay eggs daily and play a key role in providing food worldwide. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Pigeon. A calm gray bird with shimmering green and purple neck feathers, known for its homing ability and peaceful cooing sound. Crow. A smart black bird with glossy feathers and a strong beak, famous for its intelligence and problem-solving skills. Sparrow. A tiny brown bird with quick movements and cheerful chirps, often seen hopping around homes and gardens. Cuckoo. A gray bird with a striped belly and yellow eyes, known for laying eggs in other birds' nests and its distinct cuckoo call. Peacock. A stunning blue and green bird with a long eye-patterned tail, admired worldwide for its graceful feather display. Vulture. A large brown scavenger bird with a bald head, playing a vital role in nature by cleaning up animal remains. Peahen. The elegant female of the peacock species, with soft brown and green feathers and a gentle, calm demeanor. Kingfisher. A small, brightly colored bird with blue wings and an orange chest, diving swiftly into water to catch fish. Oh. A nocturnal bird with large, glowing eyes and silent wings, symbolizing wisdom and mystery in many cultures. Parrot. A bright green bird with a red curved beak, famous for mimicking human speech and its playful intelligence. Bat. A flying mammal with leathery wings and sharp hearing, using echolocation to navigate through the dark night. Hoopoe. A bird with a beautiful orange crest and striped wings, recognized for its soft, hoo-hoo call and unique crown. Heron. A tall, slender bird with long legs and a pointed beak, patiently standing by riversides waiting to catch fish. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Dog. A loyal and friendly animal, often kept as a pet, known for guarding, hunting, and companionship. Cat. A graceful and curious pet with sharp senses, valued for affection, agility, and catching small prey. Goat. A hardy farm animal with horns, famous for climbing, eating almost anything and giving milk. Buffalo. A strong, large animal used for plowing fields and transport, also providing milk and meat. Cow. A gentle farm animal domesticated for milk, meat, and as a sacred symbol in some cultures. Donkey. A sturdy working animal with long ears, known for carrying loads and enduring tough conditions. Horse. A powerful and elegant animal, used for riding, farming, sports, and transportation. Sheep. A docile animal raised for wool, milk, and meat, often seen grazing in flocks. Camel. A desert animal with humps storing fat, adapted to survive long journeys without water. Kitten. A young cat, small and playful, known for curiosity, cuteness, and energetic behavior. Cock. A male chicken, colorful and loud, famous for crowing at dawn and guarding hens. Hen. A female chicken that lays eggs, commonly kept on farms for food and breeding. A strong and heavy animal, traditionally used for plowing, pulling carts, and farm labor. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Ant. Ants are small social insects that live in colonies, building nests underground or in wood, and working together to gather food. Ladybug. Ladybugs are tiny beetles with red shells and black spots, known for eating garden pests like aphids and bringing good luck. Spider. Spiders are eight-legged arachnids that spin webs to trap prey, living in corners, bushes, or hidden outdoor spaces. Caterpillar. Caterpillars are soft, worm-like larvae of butterflies and moths that munch on leaves before transforming into adults. Moth. Moths are nocturnal insects with scaly wings that are attracted to light, often hiding in dark closets or garages. Wasp. Wasps are slender insects with stingers, building papery nests in trees or roofs, and playing roles in pollination and pest control. Butterfly. Butterflies are colorful winged insects that sip nectar from flowers during the day, symbolizing transformation and beauty. Bee. Bees are fuzzy yellow and black insects that live in hives, pollinating plants while making honey and wax. Atlas moth. Atlas moths are one of the largest moth species, with wide patterned wings, often found in tropical forests and trees. Millipede. Millipedes are long, segmented creatures with many legs, living in soil, leaf piles, or under bark, feeding on decaying plants. Cockroach. Cockroaches are hardy insects with flat brown bodies, often hiding under sinks or in dark places, thriving almost anywhere. Beetle. Beetles are hard-shelled insects with shiny colors, found under rocks, in soil, or inside wood, making up the largest insect order. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers are green-jumping insects with long legs, chirping sounds, and are usually seen in meadows, fields, or tall grass. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Lion. Lions are called the king of the jungle, living in prides and known for their loud roars and golden manes. Tiger. Tigers are the largest wild cats with orange coats and black stripes, powerful hunters that love water. Deer. Deer are gentle animals with antlers on males, swift runners often found in forests and grasslands. Leopard. Leopards are spotted big cats, excellent climbers that can carry prey up trees for safety. Wolf. Wolves live in packs, communicate through howls, and are known for their teamwork in hunting. Porcupine. Porcupines are rodents with sharp quills on their back, used as a defense against predators. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth with long necks, feeding on leaves high in the trees. Zebra. Zebras are wild horses with black and white stripes that help confuse predators when in herds. Monkey. Monkeys are playful, intelligent animals with long tails, often seen swinging from tree to tree. Rhinoceros. Rhinos are huge, thick-skinned animals with one or two horns on their nose, strong but calm grazers. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals with trunks and tusks, famous for their memory and strength. Bear. Bears are large, furry animals that eat both plants and meat, and some species hibernate in winter. Mongoose. Mongooses are small, quick mammals famous for their bravery in fighting snakes. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Cow. Cows give us fresh milk every day and are calm farm animals. Goat. Goats are playful animals that climb easily and give us milk too. Horse. Horses run fast with strong legs and help people travel or work. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals with big trunks and tusks. Kitten. Kittens are tiny cats with soft fur and playful, curious nature. Puppy. Puppies are cute baby dogs that love to play and wag their tails. Camel. Camels are desert animals with humps that store fat for energy. Parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can copy human voices and sounds. Hen. Hens lay eggs and cluck around the farmyard with soft feathers. Rabbit. Rabbits are gentle animals with long ears and love to hop. Dog. Dogs are loyal pets that protect homes and love to play with people. Llama. Llamas are fluffy animals from mountains that carry loads for people. Peacock. Peacocks have bright feathers and open their tails in a beautiful fan. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together.
Lionfish. Lionfish looks fancy with spiky fins like a lion's mane, but watch out, those spikes can sting. Goby. Goby is a tiny fish that loves to perch on rocks, always hopping around like it's playing. Moray eel. Moray eels hide in rocky holes with a scary smile, but they only snap when bothered. Guppy. Guppies are small, colorful fish that sparkle like living rainbows in aquariums. Koi. Koi are bright pond fish from Japan, often symbols of luck and happiness. Wahoo. Wahoos are super fast swimmers, racing through the ocean like silver rockets. Cod. Codfish are mild-tasting fish that people eat a lot, swimming slowly in cold seas. Haddock. Haddocks are cousins of cod, known for their tasty meat and dark shoulder mark. Pollock. Pollock are schooling fish that swim in big groups, often used in fish sticks kids love. Perch. Perch have spiky fins and golden green bodies, popular with kids who go fishing. Bass. Bass are strong freshwater fish, famous for jumping high when hooked by anglers. Drumfish. Drumfish make funny drumming sounds with their swim bladder, like musicians underwater.
Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Cow. Cows are gentle farm animals that provide milk, leather, and meat, and they play an important role in agriculture around the world. Parrot. Parrots are colorful, intelligent birds known for mimicking human speech and using their strong beaks to crack open nuts and seeds. Goat. Goats are hardy animals with a curious nature, often raised for milk, meat, and fiber, and they are excellent climbers. Horse. Horses are strong and graceful mammals used for riding, farming, and racing, admired for their speed, endurance, and companionship. Hen. Hens are domestic birds that provide eggs and meat, and they live in flocks with social behavior and gentle clucking sounds. Duck. Ducks are waterfowl with waterproof feathers and webbed feet, often found in ponds, lakes, and rivers, providing eggs and meat. Ostrich. Ostriches are the largest living birds, unable to fly but capable of running at high speeds with their powerful long legs. Pig. Pigs are intelligent, social farm animals known for their adaptability and playfulness, often raised for pork and other products. Pigeon. Pigeons are birds with excellent navigation skills, historically used as messengers, and they are common in cities worldwide. Donkey. Donkeys are sturdy, hard-working animals valued for carrying loads, with a reputation for resilience and calm temperaments. Dove. Doves are gentle birds symbolizing peace and love, often recognized by their soft cooing sounds and graceful flight. Swan. Swans are elegant water birds with long necks and white feathers, admired for their beauty and lifelong mating bonds. Turkey. Turkeys are large birds native to North America, famous for their fan-shaped tails and as a centerpiece in traditional feasts. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Ant. Ants are tiny but strong insects that can carry objects many times their own weight and live in organized colonies with a clear social structure. Ladybug. Ladybugs are small red beetles with black spots, known for eating harmful garden pests like aphids and being symbols of good luck. Butterfly. Butterflies are colorful insects with delicate wings that undergo a complete metamorphosis from caterpillar to adult. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers are green jumping insects with powerful back legs, often producing chirping sounds by rubbing their wings. Dragonfly. Dragonflies are fast-flying insects with two pairs of transparent wings and large eyes, often seen near ponds and rivers. Firefly. Fireflies are beetles that can produce light from their abdomen, glowing at night to attract mates or communicate. Wasp. Wasps are slender insects with yellow and black stripes, known for their sting and role in controlling other insect populations. Honeybee. Honeybees are social insects that live in hives, produce honey, and play a vital role in pollinating flowers and crops. Beetle. Beetles are insects with hard outer wings called elytra, coming in many shapes and sizes, living in forests, gardens, and soil. Rhinoceros beetle. Rhinoceros beetles are large beetles with a horn-like structure, incredibly strong and able to lift objects many times their weight. Praying mantis. Praying mantises are green insects with folded forearms, known for their excellent camouflage and hunting skills. Stick insect. Stick insects have long, thin bodies that resemble twigs, helping them blend perfectly with branches to avoid predators. Leaf insect. Leaf insects are masters of camouflage with leaf-like bodies and wings, making them nearly invisible in foliage. Spider. Spiders are arachnids with 8 legs, famous for spinning webs to catch prey, though some actively hunt instead. Scorpion. Scorpions are arachnids with pincers and a curved stinger tail, glowing under UV light and living in deserts or forests. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. This is salmon. Pink-fleshed fish that migrates from the ocean to rivers to spawn, rich in omega-3. This is tuna. Fast, powerful swimmer with a streamlined body, highly valued for sushi. This is mackerel. Small, oily fish with blue-silver stripes, rich in healthy fats. This is sardine. Tiny, silvery fish often canned, packed with calcium and vitamin D. This is anchovy. Very small fish with strong salty flavor, common in sauces and pizzas. This is trout. Freshwater fish with colorful spots, thrives in clean rivers and lakes. This is catfish. Bottom dweller with whisker-like barbels, common in freshwater. This is eel. Long snake-like fish with smooth skin, prized in Japanese cuisine. This is cod. Mild-flavored white fish with chin barbel, famous for fish and chips. This is haddock. Similar to cod, marked with a dark spot above the fin, often smoked. This is halibut. Large, flat fish with both eyes on one side, firm white flesh. This is snapper. Red or pink reef fish with firm texture, popular in tropical cooking. This is grouper. Reef-dwelling, heavy-bodied fish with big mouth, can grow very large. This is swordfish. Ocean predator with long bill, excellent and powerful swimmer. This is carp. Hardy freshwater fish with large scales, culturally important in Asia. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. This is dolphin. Playful and intelligent marine mammals, dolphins use echolocation to navigate and communicate with clicks and whistles. This is octopus. Known for incredible intelligence, the octopus can camouflage instantly and has 8 flexible arms with suction cups. This is sea turtle. Ancient ocean travelers with strong flippers, sea turtles migrate thousands of miles and are protected by hard shells. This is seahorse. Unique fish that swim upright, seahorses use their curled tails to grip objects, and males carry the babies. This is starfish. Star-shaped invertebrates that can regenerate lost arms and move slowly using tiny tube feet on their underside. This is clownfish. Bright orange with white stripes, clownfish live safely among stinging sea anemones thanks to a protective slime. This is hammerhead shark. Easily recognized by their hammer-shaped heads, giving them wide vision and better prey detection. This is stingray. Flat-bodied swimmers that glide along the seafloor, stingrays use their long tails with venomous spines for defense. This is jellyfish. Ancient, soft-bodied creatures that drift with ocean currents and capture prey with stinging tentacles. This is crab. Hard-shelled crustaceans with powerful pincers, crabs are famous for walking sideways on both land and sea. This is lobster. Large marine crustaceans with strong claws and long bodies, lobsters can even regrow lost limbs over time. Walrus. Massive Arctic animals with long tusks and thick blubber, walruses use their whiskers to find shellfish on the seabed. Squid. Fast cephalopods with long tentacles and a sharp beak, squids escape danger by squirting ink and jetting through water. Cat. Cats are agile and curious animals, known for their sharp claws, excellent balance, and ability to see well in low light. Dog. Dogs are loyal and friendly companions, with a strong sense of smell and hearing, often used for guarding, hunting, or guiding. Goat. Goats are hardy and curious animals, famous for climbing steep surfaces and eating a wide variety of plants. Cow. Cows are gentle farm animals, important for producing milk, meat, and leather, and they have a calm temperament. Buffalo. Buffalo are strong and powerful animals, often used for farming work and valued for their milk and meat. Horse. Horses are fast and strong animals, known for their speed, endurance, and close relationship with humans in travel and sports. Donkey. Donkeys are sturdy and patient animals, able to carry heavy loads and survive in tough environments. Sheep. Sheep are peaceful animals raised for wool, milk, and meat, and are easily recognized by their fluffy coats. Camel. Camels are desert animals, adapted to survive long without water, with humps that store fat for energy. Kitten. Kittens are young cats, playful and curious, loved for their small size, soft fur, and adorable behavior. Cock. Roosters are male chickens, known for their colorful feathers and loud crowing at dawn. Hen. Hens are female chickens, important for laying eggs and providing meat. Oxen are strong and hard-working animals, often used to pull carts and plow fields in farming. Ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds, unable to fly but very fast runners, with long legs and big eyes. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals, known for their long trunks, intelligence, and strong memory. Crab. Crabs scuttle sideways along shores, using strong claws to feed and protect themselves. They hide under rocks or sand when the tide is low. Millipede. Millipedes move slowly with dozens of tiny legs rippling in waves. They eat decaying plants, helping recycle nutrients in the soil. Chameleon. Chameleons cling to branches, their eyes moving independently to spot prey. Masters of disguise, they shift colors to blend with their surroundings. Beetle. Beetles are armored insects with shiny shells, found in forests, fields, and deserts. Some glow at night, while others recycle dead plants and animals. Earthworm. Earthworms tunnel silently through soil, loosening the ground and enriching it with nutrients. Their work keeps farmland fertile and healthy. Slug. Slugs glide slowly across damp ground, leaving a trail of slime. They eat leaves and fungi, often hidden under rocks and logs. Lobster. Lobsters crawl along the seabed, using strong claws to hunt and defend. They shelter in rocky crevices and emerge at night to feed. Spider. Spiders spin intricate webs to trap prey. With 8 legs and keen senses, they keep insect populations in balance. Snake. Snakes slither smoothly through grass or sand, their forked tongues tasting the air. They hunt with stealth and strike with speed. Ant. Ants live in organized colonies, working together to build nests, gather food, and protect their queen. Tiny but tireless, they shape ecosystems. Starfish. Starfish cling to rocks in tidal pools, moving with tube feet. They can regrow lost arms and feed by pushing their stomachs outward. Leech. Leeches swim or crawl in freshwater, attaching to animals for blood. Some are used in medicine to improve circulation. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs live in borrowed shells, changing homes as they grow. They carry their shelters everywhere, hiding when threatened. Sea turtle. Sea turtles glide across oceans with strong flippers. They return to beaches to lay eggs, their tough shells protecting them from predators. Snail. Snails move slowly on a muscular foot, carrying spiral shells on their backs. They feed on plants, algae, and fungi in moist habitats. Cockroach. Cockroaches scurry quickly through dark places, feeding on scraps. Hardy survivors, they adapt to nearly any environment. Scorpion. Scorpions roam deserts and forests, with pincers for grasping and stingers for defense. They glow under ultraviolet light. Centipede. Centipedes dart swiftly on many legs, hunting insects with venomous fangs. They hide under stones and logs during the day. Caterpillar. Caterpillars munch on leaves with strong jaws, growing quickly. They later transform into butterflies or moths through metamorphosis. Octopus. Octopuses hide in rocky crevices, exploring with 8 arms. They change colors instantly and escape danger by releasing clouds of ink.